It was approximately 2:20 in the morning when we got the initial call. I was on duty with my team and we received a report that they had found a vehicle overturned on the A16.
It was a road traffic collision, single occupant, not known where the occupant had gone to.
I've made my way along the main road and I've probably travelled for about 1.5 miles and there's no sign of this guy. It was incredibly cold that night, very dark as well. I had troops on the ground, but I also requested the use of a drone because I knew that would be able to cover a lot more area.
I took a call on the radio from the control room inspector to ask if I was available for a drone deployment, and this particular deployment was in one of the rural areas to the north.
Lincolnshire Police is a very vast, open county. It's not very densely populated. Our officers are spread extremely thinly across the county. Currently we have 2 Inspire 1 drones. The thermal imaging cameras are predominantly used for search and rescue operations.
There was some blood in the car, so we knew there would be at least some sort of injury, but we weren't sure sort of how severe. A drone pilot arrived on scene. We've taken the drone up and he's basically done a sweep from the crash site up to 500 metres away.
12 minutes into the flight, I found a heat source using the thermal XT camera, and I directed the officers to go check that heat source, and that's when they confirmed back that there was indeed an unconscious male in the ditch.
The use of the drones is just brilliant. It saved someone's life that night, I've got no doubt. So I would love to see drones rolled out, not just our force, but all forces across the UK.